Hello, good day, and welcome to my channel. This tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to send Western Union um, transfer to a Bkash account in Bangladesh mobile wallet. So let's start. If you don't have an account, you have to register by clicking this button. The registration is simple and straightforward. All you have to do is give in your name, address, and telephone number, and an email address to confirm your account. After that is done, you can now go to the login here and click on it to log you in. So I'm going to do that right now, and you are going to see how I come easily into my account. So after logging into my account, it brings me to this page where I get on the top right where my name, and on the left I can see the send money button. So I click on the send money. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using fictitious name that I just created for information purposes. So let's start. What you want to do is click on send to someone new, definitely. And these are the names I'm going to be using for this tutorial. And these are the information I need. I need a Bkash mobile wallet um, number, the name, the address, and the telephone number. These are all fictitious information just for information purposes. So here on this, I'm going to choose the country which I already chosen, but probably is set to default to Mexico, so I just have to change it to Bangladesh. And the next thing I'm going to do is choose the amount I want to send. Let's say I want to send $100. And this is the equivalent that the receiver are going to receive in their on their mobile wallet. And since I'm sending it to a mobile wallet, I'll click on the mobile wallet and choose the mobile wallet Bkash. For my payment method, I'm going to be using the bank account method, but you are welcome to use the credit card. You just have to enter your name, your credit card number, the expiring date, and the secret code. So for this, I'm going to be using the bank account. I click on it. And next, I'm going to click on continue. Uh, these are information from Western Union on how to protect yourself from fraud. You are welcome to read about it. Or if you have any other question, you can visit this website here or call their telephone number. I'm done with this, so I'm going to click on accept. Okay, since I'm going to be sending it to a new user, I'll just click on add a new receiver, input the first name. These names are fictitious, so let me just type it out. Ramirez Samuel. These are the address I'm going to use. 23. The postcode is 1212. The email address is optional. If you have it, you can input it. What's important is the mobile number. And this is the mobile number. It's a 10 digits mobile number. And you click on continue. On this page now, you are going to be directed to choose which of your accounts, which of the accounts you are using. And if you don't see your account here, you can manually input the name of your account, or you choose from this option here. We have about 8,000 banks that are represented here. So definitely one of your accounts are going to be there. But you can just choose here for example, City Bank. And on the next page, it's going to ask you to confirm Citibank and go to a new login page. When you click on this link here, it's going to open a page where you enter your user ID and password. Then you click on the sign on. So after concluding this process here, it's going to ask you, after concluding this process by clicking this return to Citibank or Citibank, it's going to ask you to confirm your username and um, password and probably a third-party verification code. Then when that is done and you confirm the $100 as the amount you are paying through your bank, please confirm this amount. It's going to take you next to the review page of the transaction. If all the information are correct that you entered, you are going to confirm the transaction and you get a receipt for the transaction. And that's all about making a Western Union transfer to Bkash account online. Thank you for watching this short video, and please, if you have any questions, do write them in the comment section and I can make a video out of it. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for now. Bye.